Hey everybody, it's Cliff, and my book is finally done, Kitchen Dad's The Basics. I've worked on it a long time, and for the next 3 days, we're going to have a launch. A lot of you ask how you can support it, so here's what you can do. For the next 3 days, I've lowered the price of the electronic version down to $3, normally $10. You can click on the link below, and it'll take you to Amazon where you can buy the electronic version. If you can leave a review, even if it's just a few lines, that would be spectacular. It will help boost the book up to #1 and will also help spread the message of getting more people in the kitchen. Now, the paperback is not available on Amazon yet, but I do have some copies. So if you'd like to get a paperback version after you bought your electronic version, there's another link where you can go to order your paperback version, and I'll send it to you. All proceeds from the 3-day launch are going to go to support Want a Sandwich Foundation. See, my mom always used to ask, you want a sandwich? Like right after we ate, right? Or if someone came over, it was always be, you want a sandwich. So we started a foundation to help people who are having trouble finding food. Again, I appreciate your support. Go do electronic launch, get a paperback if you want. And don't forget, go cook something.